How's it going everyone? It's Mark from SilencedTech. Today is the beginning of a new series. I'm planning on building the ultimate streaming setup that will probably make Random Frank P have a heart attack. This series will show every step of the way, including the final setup tour at the end, with some crazy B-roll of course. I may even whip out the smoke machine for one final time. Right now however, I will be showing you what I've done so far and any plans for the future. Roll the intro. Okay everyone, I've added a few parts to this setup since my last video that I will mention later on. First up however, I want to give you an idea of what the end result will be. This desk is going to be moved into the corner and I'm going to buy another one exactly the same to go right next to it. Then I will have two setups in total on this wall, one for gaming and the other will act as a streaming station. Currently my main gaming PC has a 10900K and the streaming PC will have a Ryzen 5900X inside. The 5900X will be used to offload all of the streaming tasks, so my 10900K build can be used solely for games. I'm also going to add an Elgato HD60 and use OBS to send the game that I'm playing straight to the Ryzen 5900X build. As far as monitors go, I'm going to have a total of 4 on the two desks, one connected to the 10900K build and 3 of them connected to the Ryzen PC. I will have another monitor right next to my current gaming display, the Lenovo Y27GQ-25 that features a 240Hz 1440p panel, but it will be running on the Ryzen build so I can monitor chat. Over the years I've found some games don't run as smooth if you have 2 or more monitors connected with different refresh rates and resolution, and since I am definitely not spending nearly 800 quid on another Y27GQ just to monitor chat, this is a great solution. Anyway, moving on to the parts that I've added since my last video. The office when I moved in had a serious echo or reverb problem when recording my voiceovers. AutoZoom very kindly hooked me up with a load of their acoustic foam, 24 pieces in grey and black. I was going to get white and black, but someone told me the white goes yellow over time. Regardless, I'm happy with how the grey looks. I could do with some more for the other side of the room around my editing setup. Nevertheless, the audio has really improved compared to before. The echo has been reduced a lot. Now I want to kit the whole office out from top to bottom. When the acoustic foam arrived, I had to leave it out for 24 hours since they were shipped vacuum sealed. Strangely, the grey took longer to restore to its original shape, and the next day they all looked perfect, so I went ahead and started installing them. First I tried 2 lines of 7 tiles on my wall, which I soon learned looked kind of strange. Instead I just covered the whole wall from top to bottom and it turns out I had just the right amount. I feel the end result looks really nice and gives my setup a professional studio look. A set of these would be perfect for any streamer or YouTuber and I can highly recommend them. AutoZoom offer various colours and sizes to suit everyone's taste and budget. If you feel like checking these out, I will leave a link in the description plus a code to get 10% off. I may end up actually using my own code to buy some more really soon. Since my last video I have done some serious cable management. I will not go into too much detail because I have a cable management video planned, but underneath I've used some double-sided tape to mount all of the adapters under my desk and I've used some clips to keep all of the cables out of sight. I have also added an Anchor USB hub and a 5-meter RGB strip. As far as holes are concerned, I've put one directly underneath my mousepad to route the keyboard's USB cable, plus I drilled another hole directly behind my PC so you can't see any cables coming out of the back running behind the desk. This was also so I could fix my desk more securely to the wall. Personally I'm glad I did it, but I know this is pretty extreme. Cable management is very important to me and product reviews look so much better in a clean, tidy environment. I have already mentioned the monitors, but I'm going to show you this dual monitor stand that I've bought from Amazon. It seems decent enough, although it does not move, pivot or turn anywhere near as smoothly as the Ergotron I have installed on my ultrawide. My main worry before I bought it, since it only cost 40 UK pounds, was if it wobbled or moved while gaming. So far it has been pretty solid and I'm definitely going to pick one up for my second desk really soon. So that is my ultimate streaming setup so far. I want to add loads of RGB lamps, plants or whatever real soon. Overall, it will become a great place for me to stream with friends. I've just started a Twitch channel and a link to there will be in the description. If you could leave me a follow, I would highly appreciate it. I'm trying to get to 50 followers. Well, anyway, that's it for the first episode. I really hope you've enjoyed it. I cannot wait to show you more. My name's Mark from SilencedTech. I shall see you all very soon. Goodbye.